Nice work, fellas. Good job. Coming out of the ground. What a touch. That was a stroke of genius.
Woody.
Thanks.
Everybody say bye, house.
Woody the van.
We gotta run, thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Quick.
Just go. I'll catch up. You can do it, Woody.
I made it. Get out where you stupid stop. Down, down.
Hold on, Woody.
I can't do it.
Take care of Andy for me.
Everybody is sitting on the remote. Sorry, I thought it was around.
Are we there already? Woody.
How'd he get here? What happened? What's going on? What's he taking?
Aha! There you are. He's at it again!